Listen up, you donkey. There's nothing quite like the thrill of reeling in a giant fish. It's a battle of wills out there on the open water, you versus beast. The adrenaline pumps as the line screams out. It's a fight to the finish, and trust me, the victory is delicious. The moment you see that flash of silver beneath the surface, you know you're in for a treat. It's not just about the fight, it's about the reward. A fresh caught, perfectly grilled fish is a culinary masterpiece. So, are you ready to land yourself a monster? Let's get started. Now, you can't just waltz into the ocean with a twig and a prayer. We need proper gear. First, you'll need a rod and reel combo that can handle a real fighter. Forget that flimsy thing you use for trout. We're talking heavy duty, built for battle. Next up the line, you'll need something strong enough to withstand the weight and fight of a giant. Don't be stingy with the test strength, you hear me? And don't forget the right hooks and bait. Match the hatch, as they say. Use what the fish are biting on. Now, listen carefully. This is where your skill comes in. You need to know how to cast your line, play the fish, and reel it in without snapping your line like a piece of cooked spaghetti. It takes practice, patience, and a whole lot of grit. But trust me, it's worth it. All right, you've landed your prize. Now it's time to turn that slimy beast into a culinary masterpiece. First things first, dispatch the fish quickly and humanely. Don't mess about. A swift whack to the head will do it. Next, gut the fish and remove the scales. This part can be a bit messy, but it's essential for a clean flavor. Run your knife along the belly, remove the guts, and give it a good rinse. Now, for the scales, use a fish scaler or the back of your knife to scrape them off from tail to head. Finally, pat the fish dry with paper towels. You want a nice clean surface for the seasoning to adhere to. Remember, we're not serving up a swamp monster here. We want a beautifully cleaned and prepped fish ready for the grill. Section 4. A symphony of flavors seasoning your fish. Now comes the fun part, bringing the flavor. For this magnificent beast, we're keeping it simple but bold. Olive oil, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. That's it. Don't underestimate the power of simplicity. The fresh, clean flavor of the fish will shine through, enhanced by the subtle seasoning. Drizzle the fish with olive oil, ensuring it's evenly coated. Then season generously with salt and pepper, both inside and out. Finally, give it a good squeeze of lemon juice. The acidity will help to cut through the richness of the fish and add a touch of brightness. Now let it sit for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Section 5. Grilling perfection from flames to feast. All right, you fire up that grill, you hear me? We're not messing about with low heat here. Get those flames licking and dancing. We want a nice, hot grill to give our fish those beautiful sear marks. Place the fish directly on the grill grates and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, depending on the thickness. Don't you dare touch it. Let it develop a nice crust before you even think about flipping it. You'll know it's ready when the flesh is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Once cooked, remove the fish from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. This will allow the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful fish. Serve it up with a side of your favorite grilled veggies or a simple salad. And there you have it, a culinary masterpiece fit for a king.